you guys good? Are you ready? Sorry for making you wait so long. You know our people, they're just still preparing themselves, wearing you know those things, right? So guys, I would like to officially welcome you to UJ Rest Battle 2020, and I am your MC for the day, NKUPI, the entertainer. So guys, I hope we're gonna have a great night. It's gonna be a vibey night. We're gonna enjoy, right? Those guys look serious. We're gonna enjoy, right? One yak. It's fine. Guys, the thing is, we are here to have fun. So if you choose to be angry, sorry for you. We will have fun on your behalf. We'll have enough fun for the both of us. So I'm still your host for the day, NKUPI the entertainer. So what we have done is that there's a hashtag, an official hashtag for this special event. So you guys are gonna go to Twitter. You're gonna go to you guys have Twitter, right? You don't. Download it right now. Good girl. Good girl. You are a distinction material, man. Guys, the thing is, we're gonna have this event, a hashtag, this event's hashtag on Twitter. It's hashtag Res Battle DFC 2020. Hashtag Res Battle DFC 2020. Hashtag Res R-E-S Battle B-A-T spelling was best on bet T-L-E 2020. Yeah. So guys, Rest Battle DFC 2020. I am going to have my phone here. I'm gonna read a few tweets, so you guys are allowed to just tweet about it, say something, say anything. So we're just gonna communicate on Twitter. I'm gonna take any tweet. I'm gonna go to my phone, take any tweet, read out how you feel, because I can't go around everyone asking them how they feel. Is it fine? Yeah, so follow the hashtag, put it on Twitter. I'm gonna take the phone and then I'm gonna read a few tweets each and every time. If possible, I'm gonna read all of your tweets. So guys, start tweeting. Let's start tweeting and let's have some fun. DJ, you wanna know what you are? They want me to open for them. Kilibulele stage. Yesibule. Yesibule. All right. Maranai, guys, I love dancing around, man. I enjoy dancing around. So, are you allowing me to be dancing around? Are you allowing me? Okay. So guys, that was just the introduction. It's still gonna get hot. I'm still gonna take off all of these things. It's still gonna get hot. So guys, as we are still waiting for Aganani, don't forget. Yo, how? Hi, Lena. Elang juta iso. Lena blow me. So guys, remember to start tweet about this. I'm gonna read tweets right now, so let me take my phone, read a few tweets as we wait for the first residents to come and do these things. DJ, hit it. Hit your music. Amba. Awu, unenkani, mawungamazi. This time is not full of stage and this thing. Give full of calling yaga. Give full of calling yaga. Give full of so. Bona, this night, I said nothing. The Antino is allowed. Said nothing. Are you legit? Okay, guys. Hey, legit is busy using his beauty here. Guys, let's give it up for legit. Hello, DFC.
I go by the name Toby's Mama song, but I call myself legit. Man? Alright.
Let's go!
Whoa! 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 Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! We had our ups and downs, girl. Put a ring on it one day. You are my paradise. Baby, baby, you are paradise. You are my paradise. You are my paradise. You are my paradise. You are my paradise. We had our ups and downs, girl. Put a ring on it one day. You are my paradise. Baby, baby, you are paradise. You are my paradise. You are my paradise. You are my paradise. You are my choosing out a coffee too. You're the one in my heart. I ain't losing my God. You ain't the sex in my life. You the king to my heart. So you give me all of your time. You spend an hour in my way.